What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today we're going to do something that I feel like I haven't done in quite a while, and that's a cool tech video. So I've had a lot of things stack up lately, just really haven't been in the mood for doing videos and stuff with everything that's going on. So I thought I would just sit down, go through a bunch of stuff. That always gets me excited because I'm always so grateful to get new stuff in and to share it with you guys. So we're going to just jump right into it. So this is going to be in no particular order of, coolness or anything like that. Just, I have a pile here and we're just going to start knocking them out. First up on the list is, I've done videos on these cases before, and these are Mojo, I believe, or Mujjo, depending, Mujjo, M-U-J-J-O. Now I've done videos on these before, like I said. These are for iPhones, obviously mine, which I have one on here now, which I've been using since the minute it came in like a month ago, maybe a little bit longer. So this is their newest color, and this is slate green, which is a really close color to midnight green, which is Apple's. But this is just the plain leather case. You have some subtle branding down here. You have button covers here for the volume. Your cutout for the silent switch. You also have a covered button for the power. They all work very well, no problem there. You have around the corners at the bottom, your ports and the speakers all open. Top is completely covered, but as you can see, it looks really good. It's genuine leather, so it feels really good. So that's the regular case, the full leather case. This is the leather wallet case, which is one that I use on some of my other phones. I use on the iPhone XS Max, but I keep my business cards in them, my work business cards. So I usually keep like 3 or 4 business cards in there, and that's about it. But as you can see, you got like the suede interior, suede-ish interior. It's cool, they got the branding on the inside as well. This one you have your branding down the card spot. But again, both of these are beautiful. They feel really good, high quality leather. I'll leave links for this and everything else that we're gonna be talking about down in the description below. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. And yeah, let's move on. All right, next we have another case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this is from Ghost Tech. This is the Exec 4. Now this says it can carry 4 card wallet. It's military grade and has a limited lifetime warranty. You can wirelessly charge it if you remove the wallet part. And that's the cool part about this, is that when you put your phone in, if you want, you can actually remove the wallet part. So if you need to sort of just grab your wallet out and you're going to have your a wallet with you, you can pull this off, or it locks pretty securely back into the case. Now what I found with this one though, when I was using it, is as you can see here, it doesn't evenly lift. So once you start putting more cards in, the bottom doesn't grow. The bottom is like stuck in that position. So as you start putting, this says you can hold 4 cards. If you put 4 cards in there, they start pushing out the top. So I didn't really enjoy that too much. It's also got a little bit of bulk to it. I do like how you can remove the wallet if you want to take it off, and then put it back on if you want to. Fairly easy. But overall, like I said, it was just a little bit too bulky for my taste. But if this is what you're into, you may enjoy this. So again, I'll leave a link for this down below. If you're unaware, I started another channel and Instagram, and I haven't posted much on it lately just because I haven't been doing much lately with social media and everything. But this company, Mighty Hanks, was nice enough to send these out to me. Specifically, I emailed them or DM'd them from my Instagram account. This though is a handkerchief. They're like homemade. But what this inside is like microfiber. So what I've been using this for, is I keep one of these in my bag at all times and use it as a device cleaning cloth. So it's a much higher quality than microfibers that you're gonna find. It does a fantastic job, and I really like the company's Instagram and what they're doing. These are just sort of some plain Jane ones, if you will, and they're not really plain. As you can see, they have some design, but they have all kinds of different ones. I'll leave a link to their Instagram down in the description below so you guys can check them out. But I'm a huge fan of these guys, and I'm planning on ordering some more, just so I can have even more variety. Yeah, they're really nice. I usually carry around one of these in my pocket at all times, if not one in my bag and one in my pocket. It's just super handy, like just super handy. So big shout out to Mighty Hanks. Again, I'll leave a link for their Instagram down in the description below. Okay, this one is a little interesting. So this one here is from Espresso Culture Company. They're out of Shenzhen, China. So this is a portable espresso maker. Now I've yet to use this because since I've gotten it, we've sort of been not out and about. So this is really like a portable one. So, I mean, there's some instructions here. We'll look at that a little bit, but it comes in this nice like carbon fiber looking case. It's not carbon fiber, but it's a hard case. So you have this. Nice little cleaning cloth in there as well. So this, I mean, this is, I don't know. I think it's really cool. You got your little coffee cup here. Espresso cup, my bad, you know. I don't want to get slaughtered in the comments. So then you have, it all breaks away. So you have like, this is how you whip. So you're gonna froth on this side. Okay. And then over here is where the filter and everything is. So I mean, like I said, I'm not a huge espresso guy, and then also it came with this sort of separated, but it's like you got your little measuring cup and then a little glass. I don't know. I just thought this was super cool. Let's take a look at the instructions real quick so I don't shortchange this, so you can see everything that's there. So you have the pump lid, the water chamber, the filter basket holder, sleeve, and then serving cup. So really, you measure out your coffee, you put it in, so you take the sleeve out of the filter basket, pour the ground coffee into the capsule, tightly close, place the sleeve upside down. So basically you're just flipping it over and then gravity is gonna do its thing. Fill the bottom water chamber, release the button, pumping the espresso, and okay. My bad. I said that was for frothing. It looks like it's not. It's release the button and keep pumping until espresso is extracted. So that's how you extract it. And then these, I looked for these at the store when I first got these, and I couldn't find them. But you can use Nespresso Capsules, which I think would be a lot easier, especially if this is going to live in your bag, like if you're going away for a weekend or something, maybe even a camping trip, that you just get these little capsules and put them in there. They probably, much like the other brands, they probably have like ones that you can fill up yourself as well, so if you have a certain coffee that you like. So anyways, I just thought that was really cool. You know, I'm a big coffee drinker, not really espresso, but I mean, this looks really awesome, so I'll give it a shot. So that'll be in my bag once I start actually, you know, going places again. These from my friends at bhpho. Now I've looked at some stuff from bhpho before. I feel like I've done some headphones and some Bluetooth speakers from them in the past, but yeah, I like them. So they reached out for these. These are the bhpho M30s, Truelist wireless earbuds. We have some bass, left hand, right hand, are waterproof, and up to 5 hours. Looks 5 hours to 20 hours. So it's probably 5 hours of playtime and 20 hours of standby time. Bluetooth 5.0. Charging time is 2 hours. Operating is like 10 meters, 33 feet away from your phone or device. Yeah, music. Yeah, here we go. Music is 5 hours, and talk time is music and talk time 20 hours. Let's see. Touchless control, bass plus, waterproof, and twin mono mode. So I'm not gonna do like a full comprehensive review of these on here, but you can always follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I always update different devices that I review on there. So here's the case. Looks like we got USB Type-C for charging. It's a very plasticky case. And then you have your pins on the inside where you're going to make contact for charging. a little blue LED on the front. And then here is your buds, which have the little fin at the top there, and then looks like we probably got interchangeable tips. Yes, and interchangeable fins, so you can get the size that you like. We have a flat USB Type-C, USB Type-C cable. You got a bhpho membership, and then a free gift. I don't really think we need, let's just try these out real quick. Let's see what we got here. There we go, bhpho 30s. Oh, right here, sorry. Right here. So we're connected. Sound good. I do hear some bass. I like the touch. It's either side, so you can pause on one side, play on the. It works on both sides. It has good bass. I like these a lot. I didn't know what to expect, but they sound really good. So they connected really fast. Both were connected. So like I said, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, usually on my IG stories or something like that, or on Twitter I'll throw like a little blast out if for some reason they lose connection, or if they're working really well, I'll let you guys get an update over there. So big thanks to bhpho. I'll leave a link for these down in the description like I said. I already have one of each of these already opened working in my area here, and they sent me 2 of each. And this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. So we'll take a look at this first. This is a wireless charger with some cool stuff in there. So you have the wireless charger. Now I've done stuff, this is Aukey. I've done stuff with Aukey for a long time, but this has got Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, 10,000 milliamp hour wireless battery charger, obviously, but it's got a wireless charging pad on it as well. Power delivery 3.0 with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, blah, 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 blah. So this is, it's like an Apple product. Look at this. I see you, Aukey. So this side has got this rubberized coating. Now what I have noticed for the one that I am using is this just attracts dust. So you need to sort of wipe this down every so often. Then this side you have micro USB, USB Type-C, and then Quick Charge 3.0 Type A. And then you have your battery indicator there. And then I believe that light is letting you know that you're actually charging. So you got wireless charging there. So USB Type-C is in and out, so you can just have a USB Type-C cable to charge that with, or you can use the micro USB. I'm not a fan of micro USB anymore. I wish everywhere micro USB would just go away. I don't like having to flip it to one side, and I just don't like the connection. I like USB Type-C non-stop. So USB Type-C you can use, in and out, so that's awesome. It looks really good. This like gunmetal gray. You got a push button on the side here to turn it on and off, or I guess just on really. And then, yeah, that's really, what more can you say about a power bank? But this is 10,000 milliamps. Look at that compared to my iPhone. It's beautiful. It's well made, looks really good. So yeah, Aukey, killing it. Comes with the USB to USB, or USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable as well for charging. This is what they're calling the Graphite Podium Wireless Fast Charger. So what you get in here, you get a manual, you get your 24-month product warranty, same stuff that you got in every other Aukey product. This has USB Type-C to USB Type-A power cord. So this is it right here. Top, you have a very soft rubber for charging. The bottom is the same so it doesn't slip. But then you also have a fan in here to keep this cool, so you can turn the fan on and off. And then you also have a light. And what I'll do is I will take this one from over here that I'm actually using on my desk. So what it gives you is this cool glow, you know, on your desk or wherever you have it. Then you have an indicator light there, so if you are charging something, it's green and not, it's amber. But like I said, you can turn the fan on and off. I leave it on, and quite honestly, you can't hear it. So, and then you can turn the light on and off if you like. It sits a little tall, but I really like it. It's good enough to where you can get your hands around it, right? It's not like laying super flat. So, I mean, I don't know. It's beautiful. I've been using it. It charges really well. So it outputs 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and 15 watts. So it's Qi and it's quick charge 2.0 and 3.0 for wireless. So again, I'm a big fan of Aukey, and I mean, their products, they're very similar in color and design, and I just think they do a great job. So big thanks to Aukey for sending these out. Again, links down below so you guys can check them out for yourself. So this is the Smart Body Fat Scale. Now, I think we could have done a better job with naming it, but you know, what are you gonna do? This is Eros, Love Your Body. So there's an app for this, 5-year limited warranty, highly accurate. Body composition, so it gives you your body fat percentage. I'm assuming you have unlimited users and smart tracking. Now I have a Under Armour scale in my bathroom, and I've been trying like crazy to lose some weight and get in better shape. So here's your 3 AA batteries, your instructions, and what do we have here? 5-year warranty. Here is the scale itself. I mean, looks very cool. We're gonna focus in, there we go. It's glass, I think, but the bottom is definitely all plastic. This is your battery door. You have your feet there. So, and there's not even a readout on here. So everything goes through the app. So let's take a look at this app real quick. There it is. Let's get it. Would like send me notifications? Sure, I love notifications. Bluetooth, yes. All right, we gotta get the batteries. What do I do with the batteries? All right. Oh wow, there is an indicator. My bad. Okay, so that's nice. All right. Sheesh. Okay. I thought everything was gonna be inside of the app, so that's awesome. So let's set this up. You can attach it to Health Kit, which is nice. So we'll do everything. Turn on all categories, allow. Okay, so I just tried it on carpet and it was off by a lot. So I put it on the cement floor, worked flawlessly. I'm not gonna show everybody my metrics, but let's just say they're not good. But it's got your BMI, your body fat, it has your fat-free body weight.